Hi, everybody. It's Miss Sherry from the library. Follow me. In the Small, Small Pond by Denise Fleming. In the small, small pond, wiggle, jiggle, tadpoles wriggle. Waddle, wade, geese parade. How many baby geese do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Hover, shiver, wings quiver. How many dragonflies do you see? 1, 2, 3. Ribbit, ribbit. Drowse, doze, eyes close. How many turtles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 turtles. Lash, lunge, herons plunge. Ooh, I see a little froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Splitter, splatter. Minnows scatter. Let's take a moment and count all the minnows. There are a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minnows. Ribbit, ribbit, I see the frog. Circle, swirl, whirligigs twirl. How many bugs do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweep, swoop, swallows scoop. How many swallows do you see? 1, 2. 2 swallows. Click, clack, claws crack. 1, 2. And I see our froggy friend. Woo! Ribbit, ribbit. How many birds with beaks do you see? 1, 2. And show me where that frog is. Do you see it? Ribbit, ribbit. Dabble, dip, tails flip. Splish, splash, paws flash. What animal is that? Could it be? Is it a raccoon? I think so. Oh, where's that frog? Where is it? Do you see the frog? I do. Ribbit, ribbit. Pile, pack, muskrats, stack. Where's the frog? Do you see him? If you do, point to him. Ribbit, ribbit. Brr, chill, breeze, winter, freeze. Oh my goodness, it looks like it's, might be starting to snow. Do you see that frog? If you do, point to him. There he is. Ribbit, ribbit. Cold night. Sleep tight. Small, small pond. Oh, look, there's our friend the frog. Looks like he's ready to go to sleep. Night, night. The end. In the Small, Small Pond by Denise Fleming. Wow, what a surprise! Look, everybody, it's Geraldine Butterfly. And she likes to swoop down around the small, small pond. Geraldine has asked if she can sing a song to us today. Are you ready, Geraldine? Here we go. Animals and insects have a lot of fun in the small, small pond. Animals and insects have a lot of fun in the small, small pond. Yay! Well, until next time, stay well and take care. Bye!